Hi guys, Exult Tech here. Okay, I've been the user of wired headsets for nearly 5 to 6 years, and especially the one that comes inside the phone's box. So now I've planned to switch to a wireless one because the one that I used had poor build quality, low audio clarity, and I have to carry the device along with the headset wherever I go, and the most saddest part of using wired headphones is untangling of wires. So now, in order to get rid of this, I've got the all-new Samsung Level U stereo wireless headset, and the package is pretty nice as the Samsung logo is embossed on it so that it gives a gradient effect on shaking the box. So now let's open the package. So inside this, first comes the quick start guide. So this looks like a mini book rather than being a small sheet, as this is a multilingual quick start guide. And the next one is the small sized ear tip for customization, and this one is the large sized one, and this is a custom wing tip so that it fits into our ears perfectly. So the last one is our actual Level U headset. This comes with a Bluetooth version 4.1, and the standby battery time of this device can last up to 500 hours and giving you a 10 hours of playback time and 11 hours of talk time. Now speaking about its design and color, I think this gold color is far better than the mystic bronze color that Samsung introduced in its all-new ecosystem of products including the Note 20 series. And this has a good neckband. Oh, it is quite flexible. I didn't expect this from Samsung. And here is a small rubber ring in order to manage with those two wires, and those two have magnetic connections so that the wires won't get tangled. And this has the power button here in the bottom. Wait, why did they place it here? Because when you're wearing it like this, oh, where is the power button? Oh, I turned it on, finally. And there are 3 buttons here in the right side of the neckband, including the volume up, the volume down, and the multi-purpose button. If you're playing music, you can use this multi-purpose button to play or pause the music, and you can use those 2 buttons to adjust the volume, as well as rewind or forward by holding and pressing them for 1 second. And during a phone call, you can use this button to attend or reject or even mute the microphone. And you can long press this multi-purpose button for 3 seconds to turn on pairing. This one has 2 microphones in it, the one here for voice recording, and another one right here at the back for active noise cancellation. And this one has some micro USB Type B charging ports right here. I quite like the design, but the power button could have been placed somewhere here for convenience. Okay, I've been using this for the past few days, and here are my thoughts about it. Now, speaking about the user experience, the audio clarity was far better than my expectations, and the active noise cancellation is working quite well. And this is not that much bass heavy like the on-ear headphones that we use, which gives us a thumping bass. This is quite well. Speaking about the comfort, I like the design of this earpiece because I hate all those ear tips that enters directly into the hole of the ear, blocking all the ventilation. But this just stands here itself, giving some amount of ventilation to the ear so that it is comfortable to use. And speaking about this neckband, this is made of some sort of soft material so that it is flexible and comfortable to wear as well. And you can get some sort of additional benefits of using this headset by installing the Samsung Level app on your smartphone, where you can control the master volume of this headset directly into your smartphone, and you can also make this headset to read notifications from specified apps allowed using the text-to-speech technology. So the overall experience of using this Samsung Level U headset is awesome. I got it for $39 and I think it's value for money. So if you enjoyed this video, a sub to the channel would be marvelous. Let me play some music. Oh, catch you guys in the next one.